Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the most important and most uh, current topic, that is China versus Indian economy. Who will lead the future? So we will compare two biggest economies or biggest nations of the world, India and China. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Now, what do you think? Which country is stronger right now? Which one has more global economic power? And most importantly, who will lead the world economy in the future? We will understand it in a simple and powerful way. Current economic status or situation. China's GDP is around $18.5 trillion, making it the second largest economy in the world. And whereas India's GDP is around $4.1 trillion, ranked fifth in the world. So, in numbers, China is much bigger than India right now, isn't it? But the growth rate tells a different story. China is growing around 4.5%, and India is growing at 7.75%. This means China is bigger today, but India is growing much faster. Strengths of both economies we will discuss. Strength of China is manufacturing superpower, export driven economy, global supply chain dominance, world class infrastructure. China is known as the factory of world, from electronics to machines and clothing. China exports almost everything. Now we discuss the strengths of India. Global leader in IT and services. Fastest growing digital economy, UPI Digital India. Huge young workforce. Rising startups and investments ecosystem. India is becoming the technology engine of the world with strong leadership in IT, software, AI services, and pharmaceuticals. Now, challenges. Both nations have strengths, but both face serious challenges. China's challenges, aging population. So in China, there are more dependent population of age above 60 years, increasing wages, reducing export advantages because working force is reducing. Global distrust and sanctions, real estate debt crisis. Now, India is also facing challenges which are high unemployment and skill gap, low manufacturing share, infrastructure gap is also there in India, income inequality is very wide. So both countries have issues, but the nature of problem in both countries is very different. So future outlook is who will has the better future, India or China. China's growth is expected to slow down in the coming years because of its aging population and global tensions. And India is a young country because India has a large portion of population of young people, that is known as population dividend, with 65% of its population in the working age group. If India strengthens manufacturing, education, and skill development, then by 2030, India can become the third largest economy in the world. And by 2050, India can become the second largest economy in the world. So today, China's economy is stronger and larger, no doubt. But future says India has greater growth potential. So we can say China is leading the present, but India can lead the future. And if both nations compete and cooperate, the entire world will benefit. Thank you.